Dear students, it's me, Rukshila Semasinghe. Today, we are going to learn something new to you. As IELTS academic candidates, you have to write an illustration for your IELTS writing task 1. This lesson is based on that. Okay, when we come to IELTS writing task 1, as I have mentioned previously, you have to write an illustration. What's that? Writing an illustration. Then, as you can see, there are 4 options: charts, tables, diagrams, and maps. So you have to write an illustration on a chart, on a table, on a diagram, or on a map. Sometimes there may be 2 figures, just like a table and a chart, a map and a table, a diagram and a table likewise. So it depends on the question you receive. So we have to study well the way of writing illustrations on IELTS writing task 1, and you could get through it well. Okay, then. When we come to this part, you know that you have to write an illustration based on a chart, table, diagram, or a map. Then, therefore, we have to get ready for that well. The main thing that you don't know, as I reckon, the structure of these illustrations. Okay, then you have to have a good idea on the paragraphs that you're gonna develop in your writing task. Okay, your first paragraph should be the introduction. The word limitation for this is 30 words. Your second paragraph is the overview, again 30 word with 30 word limitation. Then you have to develop 2 more paragraphs called body paragraph 1 and 2, 65 words in each. Okay, then let's discuss a little on this structure. Basically, dear students, you have to write the introduction related to the statement given in the question. Statement, what's that? When we come to a chart illustration, then before the question starts, there's a statement. So you have to read the statement well and develop your introduction. So the main purpose of developing the introduction is to explaining about what is this. It means think that you got a table. Then you have to illustrate the data on the table. So you have to write your first paragraph related to, as an introduction, it means about what is this table, about what is this chart, about what is this diagram or map. If there are 2 figures just like a diagram and a map, you have to combine these 2 as one introduction. Then there you have to write this diagram is about this and this map is about this. Based on this idea, you have to develop the introductory sentence, the introduction. Then, your second paragraph should be the overview. Again, you can write the overview at the end. Also, I'm telling, you can develop the overview paragraph as your second paragraph, and there is an alternative that you can develop this paragraph as your last paragraph. It depends on your favoration. After the introduction, you can write body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, and at the end also you can include your overview paragraph. Otherwise, you can follow this structure as well. Okay, the word limitation is same, 30 words. Okay, when we come to the overview, you know, an overview gives the main idea about the figure. Think that you have to write an illustration on a chart. Think about a bar chart. So after examining the whole bar chart, you have to give an idea. It means you can give the main idea of this chart, table, diagram, or the map. Okay, then you have to develop the overview like that. When we come to body paragraph 1, in body paragraph 1, you can illustrate the most highlighted points of the figure. Figure mean it may be a chart, table, diagram, or a map. Then you can develop your body paragraph 2 to illustrate the rest. It means minor points. And remember, there's no conclusion in your IELTS writing task 1. Okay, let's see again. I'm gonna explain it one more time. So, when we come to IELTS writing task 1, there may be one figure, two figures, or three figures, just like two charts and a table, one chart and a table and a diagram and a map. Okay. Then you have to follow the structure I've given here, just like introduction, overview, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. Please follow the word limitations I've mentioned here, and there's no conclusion. Remember that. Let's meet again. See you. Bye. Have a good day.